Hello! To mute or unmute via power key shortcut on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, let me quickly show you. We can perform this action by pressing and holding the power key, and as you can see, we can quickly mute or unmute all the sounds on our phone. So let me quickly show you how to do this. First of all, you have to go into the Galaxy Store, and here you have to find this application called Good Lock. Simply install it and then open this one. And from here you have to find for the plugin called Register somewhere on this list of the available plugins, and simply install it. And as you do this, you have to open it and wait for this Register plugin to actually open, to load it up. And right here, first you have to go into this side key press and hold action. We will need to first enable it, and as we enable it, we have to select the mute or unmute all volumes. And just like this, as we have this option enabled, we can press and hold this side key button and bar button, and actually, as you can see, it mutes or unmutes all the volumes. So that's how to do it. Thank you for watching.